Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Remove and cool. Peel the skin off the squash, and shred the squash into individual strands. The strands will come out with a firm, more al dente texture, like actual pasta. Your meal will be better and your tummy will thank you. 10 March 2015.
Let's help you make your mark.
What does it taste like? Spaghetti squash has a very mild, almost neutral flavor, though I think of it as being slightly sweet. Spaghetti squash noodles can be a little watery, or have a slight crunch to them depending on the squash. This slightly crunchy texture is what makes them stand out from regular pasta to me. 13 May 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
2 important things to remember to avoid mushy spaghetti squash. Salt the spaghetti squash first to draw out moisture. Letting cut spaghetti squash sit with coarse salt on it for 15 to 20 minutes draws out a ton of moisture from inside the squash. Less moisture equals less mushy noodles.
Take our lead.
To microwave. Poke holes in the spaghetti squash, cut in half lengthwise, and scoop out the seeds if desired. Fill a glass baking dish about 1/4 up with water, then place the squash, flat sides down, in the pan and microwave 10 to 15 minutes or until tender. Remove from the microwave, and scoop out the strands. 15 February 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.